FSDB, Pineapple PD, Tech Tidbit, Flipgrid. Are you trying to connect with your students? You want to provide opportunities for student expression and student voice? You need to try Flipgrid. This easy-to-use app supports visual, spoken communication. It sets a place for student expression. Flipgrid can be used for showing math processes, presenting information, collecting student responses, documentation for student achievement. There's many different ways you can use Flipgrid to enhance your instruction. Now, what you need to do is download Flipgrid for your tablet, phone, or go to the website. Type www.flipgrid.com. Set up a free Educator account. Important terms you need to know are grid. A grid is a place for your class. In your grid, you can make what's called topics. You can make many topics in your grid. Add a new grid. First topic is set up for you. Everyone can say hi. This is the perfect way to practice using Flipgrid. In topics, there's options for teachers. They are turning on and off the camera or the video. The teachers can monitor before releasing student responses, set a time limit of up to 5 minutes, develop a rubric for grading, attach lessons, attach links, attach videos. I recommend playing and discovering what your preferred topic setup is. Did you know videos have live captions? You can edit live captions. If you're speaking, it will pick up the captions. When you're done filming, you can edit. If you're signing, film first and it will pick up the background noise. And then go back and edit the captions. Add your English sentences. How do you share? Share your grid. Send out the QR code or the link for students to access. Now, every time you add new topics, the students can access your grid. See the top bar? My grid is there, and then next to it is called mixtapes. You can develop mixtapes by using your topic videos, selecting the ones you want, and sending them to mixtapes. It will take all the videos and it'll become one big video. Next to that is Disco Library. They have lesson plans that are already finished that you can add to your topics in your grid. Next to that is Shorts. You can film yourself or film something and send it out to videos, and students can watch with the QR code or the link. Now what do? Inform students to download the app or go to the website. They can access your grid using the code or the QR code. I recommend using the Flipgrid website for professional development resources. They have a Getting Started guide and a remote learning guide. For more ideas of how to use, follow them on Twitter @Flipgrid. Are you ready to join the student voice movement?